looks like we're recording. Alright, so everyone, welcome back to the Peachy Girl Cali World Poshmark closet. Just wanted to show you all how you can now relist on Poshmark without having to copy your pictures, save your pictures, download your pictures, copy your text, your descriptions, all that good stuff. So here we're just at the home page. My VA is sharing right now. Thank you, Donna. And I just want to give an example for you all of something that I want to relist, and that would be a good example for this. So right now I'm looking for something that has 3 or more likes. Okay, this will work perfectly. So I'm going to right click that. I'll click open link in new tab, and I'm going to do this twice, and I'll show you why I'm going to do it twice. So now that's open a new tab. So now we have both of those items here and here. So on the first tab, and I'm going to just go ahead and close out my closet. Ignore that. On the first tab, this is the original listing. We scroll down, everything's intact. We're going to click the edit listing button in the top right. So once you scroll all the way down past your description, past your title, past your price, you'll see something here called copy listing. We're going to click copy listing. It'll ask you, are you sure that you want to do this? And you click yes. It'll say loading listing copy. And it's loading, and so now there's a copy. So everything is pretty much taken from the original post. So everything, the pictures, the description, the title, everything, the price is pulled from there. So that's awesome. The only adjustment you have to make is here where it says copy da 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 da. So this is where your second item comes in. So you go back to that second tab you opened from the same item. You click Control C, Command C, whichever OS you're using, operating service, and you Control A or select all, then Control V or Command V, and boom, you can copy your title. That's the only thing you have to change, is removing that copy and removing that ellipsis at the end of the description or the title. You can also change the price. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 20. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to list this item. They ask you for the warnings. This is home decor. Okay, so this is what I want to show you also. You still want to keep this second window up. So now once we go back to our closet, we'll see that the new listing is at the top of our closet. So boom, the new listing is there, but the old listing, if we scroll down, is still here. So the way you can get rid of that is by keeping that second tab open. You click edit listing and you can delete it right there. That way you're not updating it, copying it, and then having to find it, in your closet. It's unlike on the phone, because when you do it on the phone, after you copy the listing and make a new listing, it'll take you back to the original listing, which you can delete. But for some reason it doesn't do that on the desktop. So hopefully that was helpful, and hopefully you all have been using this feature and find it easy. So let us know if it's helping you make sales, if you feel like it's driving more traffic to your closet, if you feel like everyone's relisting now, so your stuff is getting pushed to the bottom. So definitely let us know.